Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn off the notification bell so you won't miss a new video. Today, we're talking about one of the most dramatic moments from Mutharuni's Tembo, Mangwabe threatening to divorce Musa. Oh, wow, you heard that right. This episode was full of jaw-dropping moments and we're diving into everything that went down. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you've been following Uthando Nesithembu, you know that there's always some sort of tension within the Mselegu's polygamous family. But in the latest episode, things took a turn when Mangwabe, who's always been one of the most reserved wives, finally had enough and threatened to leave Musa. This isn't something we expected from her, considering how she's handled things in the past. But in this episode, the cracks of their relationships are finally exposed. So, what actually led to this big moment? It all started when Mangwabe expected her frustrations about Musa's lack of attention, the imbalance of the family dynamics, and how he's been dealing with the issues in the household. Let's be real. Being in a polygamous marriage isn't easy, especially when you feel neglected or like your concerns aren't being taken seriously. For Mangwabe, it seems like she's reached a breaking point, and in this episode, she doesn't hold back. Mangwabe's emotions were running high, and it's clear that she's feeling completely unheard when she threatens to divorce Musa. It's not just about one disagreement, it's a culmination of feelings of neglect and frustration over time. She says that she's sacrificed a lot for the family, and now she's at a point where she doesn't feel valued anymore. This is a huge deal because Mangwabe has been one of the more quiet and reserved wives in the family. To see her reach this point shows just how serious the situation is. So how does Musa react to this bombshell? At first, it seems like he's caught off guard by Mangwabe's words. But as we all know, Musa doesn't like to show his weakness. Tries to downplay the situation and assures her that things will improve. But is that really enough? We all see the reactions from the other wives, Makumalu, Tobili, and the rest of the family. They know that Mangwabe follows through with the threat. They know that if Mangwabe follows through with the threat, it could shake the entire family. There's a lot of tension in the air, and no one really knows how it's all going to play out. Now let's talk about why this moment is such a big deal. First off, Mangwabe threatening to divorce Musa is a power move. It's a way of her saying that she's no longer willing to tolerate the imbalance and neglect. But beyond that, it also raises questions about what happens next. If Musa loses Mangwabe, it could be a heavy ripple effect on the entire family. We all know how important each wife is to Musa's household. And if one decides to leave, it's not just about one person, it impacts everyone. This situation also brings up a much bigger conversation about polygamy and how difficult it can be to balance multiple wives and families. Polygamy isn't just about sharing space, it's about sharing emotions, attentions, and respect. Musa has been trying to balance his wife, but it's clear that something is starting to crack. Mangwabe isn't the first wife to express frustration, and it won't be the last. The real question is, how much longer can this family, hold together under these pressures? So, where does this leave us? Will Mangwabe really go through with a divorce threat, or is it just a moment of anger that will pass? Only time will tell. But this episode definitely raised stakes for Musa and his family. If Mangwabe stays true to her word, we could see a dramatic shift in the family structure, and that will likely to lead to more tension, more confrontations, and maybe even more wives starting to question their roles in the marriage. That's it for today's breakdown of Mangwabe threatening to divorce Musa on Uthando Nesithembu. What do you think will happen next? Will Mangwabe follow through, or will Musa manage to smooth things over? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your take on this dramatic moment. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future episodes. Until next time, take care, keep up with all the drama on Uthando Nesithembu. Bye.